Hi guys, so the question which we are going to do today is seeds of Codeforces. Its rating is around thousands, I think. So as you can see, I have tried a lot of brute force, but I got a correct solution after a while. Okay, so how we are going to solve it? First, read the question. I mean, what the question is saying, you have to find the minimum number of students in this. Like 0 is the what? 0 is the row column of seats in which you have to assemble a minimum number of students who can sit in this row. Like in 3, what is the minimum number of students can sit? Either 1 and 2 will be the minimum. Okay, we want minimum number of students to sit. Okay, so if it is it like 1 0 1, so it will, the answer would be what? 2. If the answer would be I mean, if the output will be 0 1 0, so the answer would be 1. Why? Because we have to one thing assure that in a given binary string, 1 indicates that the seat has been occupied by a student, and as 0 indicate that it is free now. It is guaranteed that no two adjacent seats are occupied currently. Okay, no two adjacent seat like 1 1 0, it's not possible in this. Okay, to add more student until it is impossible to seat anyone else in the row. However, she wants to achieve this state as a few students as possible. She want like how many few least student we can sit in this row. Okay, so it would be, answer would be 1, as you can see in the middle and not in left or right side of the column. Okay, so we have to output for each test case minimum total number of seats for students. Okay, minimum total number of seats for student in this given row. Okay, so how we are going to achieve this? Let me write out the code. So yeah, as you can see, basic I have already written. Let's now int is equal to for I is equal to 0, I is less than n, then if si is equal to 1, then ns will increment by 1 and I also increment. Okay, then yeah, int j is equal to I, then we will use while loop while j is less than n and as j is equal to 0. Okay, j will increment. Okay, after that we'll assign a new variable k is equal to this j minus I. Okay, then a bool variable left, okay, is equal to let's say I is greater than 0 and I si minus 1 is what? Is equal to 1. Okay, same bool right is equal to, oh, there is an issue. Yeah, it's correct. J is less than n. Okay, and j is equal to 1. Okay, then yeah, after that we'll use if condition. If left right are same, then what? ans will increment max 0 comma what? K divided by 3. Okay, else if left or right. Okay, in that case ans would be like ans plus 1 k plus 1 whole divided by 3. Okay, and for last situation, else in this ans is equal to plus k plus 2 divided by 3. Okay, and yeah, I is equal to j, and after that we'll output our answer, which would be like C out ans. Okay, so yeah, let's run this code. Yeah, so Codeforces yeah, okay, there is an issue. So yeah, it's compiled successfully. Now run a test case. Let's for example 1 3 0 0 0. The answer would be 1. It's correct. 1 3 1 0 1. Answer is correct. So yeah, guys, that's it. If you have any doubt in the code, please write down in the comment section. I will definitely try to explain it. Thank you for watching. Yeah, that's it for now.